Here at Matthews Roofing, we have been offering comprehensive roofing services in the Warmley, Bristol area since 1882. Offering a friendly and personal service, our experienced roofers undertake a range of tasks, including new roofs and roof repair, asbestos removal and disposal, box profile roof sheeting and cladding, GRP roof light replacement, and plenty more. We are also specialist flashing and guttering manufacturers, offering an effective way of weatherproofing your roof by preventing damp and ensuring a quality finish that will last. With both commercial and domestic clients across Gloucestershire, Wiltshire and Somerset, we offer competitive prices and stock quality roofing supplies from the leading names, including Kingspan roofing panels and Cromar Brett Martin roofing products. We also offer various types of felt at excellent prices, always in stock, with tannalized timber battens and 11 or 18mm OSB boards available at the best prices in Bristol. Get in touch for a free quotation. We offer face-to-face consultations or call us today.